Hey guys, it's Jackie! And today I am doing a little video about how to make foundation that is too dark for you work. Maybe you bought a shade too dark, maybe you were tan and now you're not, so you have a foundation that's a little dark. I am going to show you some ways that you can continue to use that and make them work for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe if you enjoy my content. And of course you got to hit the bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation, so you'll be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have the fan running over here just because it's hot in this room and I need the fan. So hopefully it is not too loud in the microphone. Fingers crossed. So I've been enjoying doing these like helpful videos, just little tips, tricks, to maybe help someone out. So today's video, I want to help you out in case you may have bought a foundation that is too dark. This is Hard Candy Glamouflage in the color light medium. This color is too dark for me. So I'm going to show you just how you can still make a foundation that is too dark work. So I have two different ways that I can do this. First, I'm going to start off, I have a little palette over here. I'm going to pump some out on the palette, and I'm going to take my damp sponge, and I'm only going to do half of my face so you can see how dark it is. It is pretty dark. I've already put primer. I used my E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. So as you can see, this foundation is not the right color for me. Maybe if I was tan, like really tan, it would be. But it is not right now. So what I will do is I will take my concealer. I always have a concealer that is lighter because I like to brighten my under eyes, and I will just, well, hold on, because I want to cover some dark circles. So I'll use my Believe Beauty Peach corrector real quick. Just throw that under there. And then I will take my concealer and I will conceal and add a lot of concealer. Just, around the face, and then I will take my sponge again and I will pat it in, and that lightens my foundation. As you can see, I didn't do right here because that's usually where I contour and bronze, so there's no need to lighten that because I didn't do up here. Over here I also contour and bronze there. So pretty much where I don't put contour or bronzer, I will add some foundation or some concealer to lighten that up. and now you can see it is a much more my color. So that is one way. Another way, you can take your concealer, put it on your palette. This is a little more difficult because the concealer doesn't always like to come out. You can't squirt out the concealer like you can a foundation. So I just keep going in and wiping it down on the palette. Going in, wipe it down on the palette. And so on and so forth until I think I have enough. And then I will pump my foundation. I will take a little mixing tool. This is actually like a nail tool, but I use it to mix. And I will mix my concealer with my foundation and lighten the foundation that way. There's technically 3 ways if you really want to get into it. If you need a little more, I suggest wiping this off and adding more to this. That way you're not getting dark foundation all over your doe foot applicator. Kind of works better too. So this is all if you don't have a lighter foundation you can mix your dark foundation with. Obviously, if you have a lighter foundation, you would just mix your lighter and your darker. This is if you do not, and you just bought the wrong shade, or maybe summertime is over and the shade you have, you know, was, you know, when you were tan and you're no longer tan, it's winter, you know what I mean? Like that. I'm going to dab my sponge off on a paper towel to get the dark foundation off before I go into. And now you can see that is definitely lighter, more my color. See? And that is another way that you can fix your dark foundation. Obviously this is going to look a little weird because on this side I went straight in with a dark, and this side I mixed to make one that is more my color. And of course, even if it is still a little dark like this is, you can always drag it down. Drag it down your neck. So your neck is the same color as your face. And then go in with your concealer, which I'm going to use my Believe Beauty color corrector for my dark circles. I don't know why I have dark circles today. I thought I slept well, but okay. Whatever. 'Tis is life. Obviously, I'm going to take my concealer. Just because I think this foundation's still a little on the dark side. So I'm going to use my Imani Vegan Cosmetics Bye Bye Shine powder. First I'm going to powder my under eyes. Spit it out, Jackie. And now I'm going to go in with a bigger brush, and I'm just going to take that powder and just pat it all over my face because I want it to be, don't want it to be tacky when I do my bronzing and contouring. Let's get into the contour bronzing. I've been using this Beauty Benefits Hollywood contouring palette to contour with. Got it at the Dollar Tree. Coco just knocked down some pillows, which moved a light, and I don't want it to fall, so hold on 2 seconds. Let me fix that. Okay, we're safe. We're safe now. So I got this at the Dollar Tree when I did a little Dollar Tree makeup haul / look. So I'm going to use this to contour. I know most people will contour after they bronze. I always contour before I bronze because, as you can see, I usually am a little heavy-handed with my contour, so I use the bronzer to kind of dull that down a little bit. So there's the contour. For bronzer, I've been using this Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer in bikini contests. I don't know. I know they don't sell them in this size anymore. At least I haven't seen them in this size. But they might sell them in the rectangle ones. I'm not sure if they have bikini contest in that. But I am trying to use this up. So I'm going to use it again today. Where's my brush? There's my brush. And I'm going to contour. I'm going to bronze. I will take the bronzer all the way down my neck and all the way down my chest area to kind of, you know, make it match better. So there's my contour and bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with a blush. And because of the bright pink and purpley eyes, I think I'll go in with this Milani Coral Cove brush. Dog keeps knocking pillows down. Blush, not brush. Coral Cove blush. It is a very pretty peachy coral color that I really, really like. Okay, I gotta do brows as well, so I'm going to do my brows. I'm gonna be using the E.L.F. brow pencil and taupe. That's what I've been using lately. I go through phases. Sometimes I'll use brow powder, sometimes I use brow pencils, sometimes I use brow pomades. Okay, I'm going to finish up my bottom lash line, my eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. I'll be right back. Okay, now that I did finish my eyes, I'm going to go in with a highlight. Wet n Wild, I'm so lit, because that's like all I use these days, because I love it. Setting spray. I'm going to use my setting spray, my Slay All Day setting spray. I'm almost out. Now I'm going to turn towards the fan. Here we are. Now, pop on a lip. What lip do I want to pop on? I want a little pinky. Ooh. Vintage Rose. Let's do that. Do I have a lip liner? I don't think I have a lip liner. This is pretty pink. I think it's too pink. We'll see. It's kind of pink, but I think we can make do. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a little matte. Let's throw on just a little of this Believe Beauty clear lip gloss, and I'm going to use my finger. There, just a little bit of moisture because that was feeling a little dry. So that, guys, is my tips on how you can take a foundation that is too dark and make it work. So I hope this was super helpful for you. If it was, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I would really appreciate it. And hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So yes, that is it for today's video. I really do hope that this was helpful, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!